harvesting, and transportation of banana raw materials. The purpose of this stage is to collect banana bunches at the correct physiological maturity while minimizing mechanical damage and quality loss before industrial processing. This step serves as the transition between agricultural production and factory-based operations. Harvesting is performed using specialized cutting tools and protective supports designed to control the weight and direction of the falling bunch. Workers follow standardized harvesting procedures to ensure uniform handling across the plantation. Once cut, banana bunches are immediately transferred onto field-based cable systems or mobile conveyor units that transport them from the plantation rows to centralized collection points. This reduces ground contact and limits surface damage. At the collection point, the bunches are visually inspected, tagged for traceability, and loaded onto padded transport racks or crates. Vehicles used for transport are equipped with ventilation systems to prevent heat buildup during transit. The input of this stage consists of mature banana bunches harvested directly from the field. The output is intact, traceable raw banana material delivered to the processing facility within a controlled time frame, ready for initial industrial handling. Primary processing, washing, and grading. The purpose of this stage is to remove surface contaminants, separate banana hands from bunches, and classify the fruit according to standardized quality parameters before further processing or packaging. This step establishes uniformity and hygiene at the start of the factory line. Upon arrival at the facility, banana bunches are unloaded onto overhead rail systems or automated in-feed conveyors. Mechanical dehanding stations are used to separate individual hands with controlled cutting mechanisms that reduce bruising. The bananas then enter a multi-stage washing system consisting of water tanks, controlled flow channels, and low-pressure spray nozzles. Water quality, temperature, and circulation are continuously monitored to maintain consistent cleaning performance. After washing, the fruit passes through inspection and grading lines equipped with optical sensors and industrial cameras. These systems evaluate size, shape, and surface condition, directing bananas into designated lanes based on preset criteria. The input of this stage is harvested banana bunches delivered from the field. The output is clean, graded banana hands that meet predefined specifications, ready for downstream processing, ripening control, or final packaging operations. Fund 4, ripening control and technical treatment. The purpose of this stage is to stabilize fruit condition, regulate ripening behavior, and prepare bananas for either fresh market distribution or further industrial processing. This step ensures product consistency and shelf life predictability. Bananas are transferred into controlled environment ripening rooms equipped with temperature control units, humidity regulators, and ethylene management systems. These rooms are monitored by centralized control panels that record environmental parameters in real time. The process begins with pre-cooling to remove field heat, followed by regulated exposure to ethylene gas to initiate uniform ripening when required. Air circulation fans ensure even distribution of temperature and gases throughout the room. Sensors continuously measure oxygen, carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity levels, allowing automatic adjustments to maintain predefined ripening profiles. Once target parameters are achieved, the ripening process is slowed or paused through temperature reduction. The input of this stage consists of washed and graded banana hands. The output is bananas with controlled ripeness and stabilized quality characteristics suitable for packaging, storage, or distribution according to market requirements. Fund 5, packaging and quality control. The purpose of this stage is to protect the bananas during storage and transportation while ensuring compliance with quality and safety standards. Packaging also provides identification, traceability, and handling efficiency for downstream logistics. Bananas enter automated packaging lines consisting of conveyor belts, weighing stations, and carton forming machines. Protective liners and cushioning materials are inserted to minimize movement and pressure damage inside the package. The process begins with manual or robotic placement of banana hands into cartons according to preset weight and count specifications. Integrated check weighers verify package accuracy, and rejected units are automatically diverted for correction. Quality control stations are positioned along the line, where visual inspection systems and random sampling are used to verify fruit condition, packaging integrity, and labeling accuracy. All data is recorded in the production management system. The input of this stage consists of bananas with controlled ripeness and graded quality. The output is fully packaged, labeled banana cartons that meet distribution standards and are ready for warehouse storage or shipment. 7. Outbound transportation and distribution to end markets. The purpose of this stage is to deliver packaged bananas from the production facility to distribution points while maintaining controlled conditions and product integrity. This step completes the industrial supply chain and connects production output with retail demand. Palletized cartons are loaded onto refrigerated trucks using dock-level loading systems, pallet jacks, or forklifts. Vehicles are equipped with temperature-controlled cargo compartments and onboard monitoring devices. The transportation process follows a defined sequence: vehicle inspection, pre-cooling of the cargo space, loading according to airflow patterns, and sealing of the truck. Transport conditions are continuously monitored during transit using telematics systems. Route planning and delivery schedules are managed through logistics software to minimize transit time and handling. Upon arrival, shipment data and temperature records are reviewed before unloading at distribution centers or retail facilities. The input of this stage consists of stored, ready-to-ship banana cartons. The output is delivered banana products that meet quality specifications upon arrival, prepared for retail display or final consumer distribution. Banana cultivation and raw material management. The purpose of this stage is to establish a stable and standardized banana growing area that ensures consistent yield, uniform fruit quality, and full traceability throughout the production chain. This step focuses on controlling biological growth conditions before any industrial processing begins. Cultivation starts with tissue-cultured banana plantlets produced in controlled laboratory environments, ensuring genetic uniformity and disease resistance. Land preparation is carried out using mechanical tillers and soil conditioning equipment to adjust soil structure, drainage, and pH levels. Planting follows a predefined layout, guided by GPS-assisted field mapping to maintain optimal spacing between plants. Automated drip irrigation systems, integrated with soil moisture sensors, deliver water and nutrients directly to the root zone with precise dosing. Throughout the growth cycle, environmental data such as soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant development are monitored using field sensors and centralized data logging systems. Pest and disease management is conducted using calibrated spraying equipment applied only when threshold values are exceeded. The input of this stage consists of tissue-cultured seedlings, treated soil, water, and controlled fertilizer formulations. The output is mature banana plants grown under monitored conditions, producing uniform banana bunches ready for controlled harvesting and downstream industrial handling. 7. Outbound transportation and distribution to end markets. The purpose of this stage is to deliver packaged bananas from the production facility to distribution points while maintaining controlled conditions and product integrity. This step completes the industrial supply chain and connects production output with retail demand. Palletized cartons are loaded onto refrigerated trucks using dock-level loading systems, pallet jacks, or forklifts. Vehicles are equipped with temperature-controlled cargo compartments and onboard monitoring devices. The transportation process follows a defined sequence: vehicle inspection, pre-cooling of the cargo space, loading according to airflow patterns, and sealing of the truck. Transport conditions are continuously monitored during transit using telematics systems. Route planning and delivery schedules are managed through logistics software to minimize transit time and handling. Upon arrival, shipment data and temperature records are reviewed before unloading at distribution centers or retail facilities. The input of this stage consists of stored, ready-to-ship banana cartons. The output is delivered banana products that meet quality specifications upon arrival, prepared for retail display or final consumer distribution.